descending at about 0.75 meters per second.
Engineers can land a car-sized rover on Mars.
Touchdown confirmed. We're seeing Mars.
Physicists probe the essence of all matter, while we communicate wirelessly on a vast worldwide network. But underlying all of these modern wonders is something deep and mysteriously powerful. It's been called the language of the universe, and perhaps its civilization's greatest achievement. Its name? Mathematics. But where does math come from? And why in science does it work so well?
Albert Einstein wondered, how is it possible that mathematics does so well in explaining the universe as we see it?
Is mathematics even human?
There doesn't really seem to be an upper limit to the numerical abilities of animals.
And is it the key to the cosmos?
Our physical world doesn't just have some mathematical properties, but it has only mathematical properties.
The Great Math Mystery. Next on Nova.
Major funding for NOVA is provided by the following.
Human beings have always looked at nature and searched for patterns. Eons ago, we gazed at the stars and discovered patterns we call constellations, even coming to believe they might control our destiny. We watched the days turn to night and back to day, and seasons as they come and go, and called that pattern time. We see symmetrical patterns in the human body and the tiger's stripes, and build those patterns into what we create, from art to our cities. But what do patterns tell us? Why should the spiral shape of the Nautilus shell be so similar to the spiral of a galaxy? Or the spiral found in a sliced open head of cabbage? When scientists seek to understand the patterns of our world, they often turn to a powerful tool, mathematics.